Hello everyone, welcome to Easy English. This is Satish Kumar giving you the video lesson. Please subscribe our channel for further videos. Today we are learning tense. Tense is nothing but time. I have given clear and enough explanation about tenses in the previous video. Simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect. These three tenses we are learning today. We have learnt simple present tense in the previous video. And the next video will be on present perfect. Today we are going to learn present continuous tense. Present continuous tense. What is present continuous tense? Continuous is something is going on without any stop. The continuous action. Actually, present continuous tense can be used while the action is taking place. That is, we should use the present continuous tense at the time of action. Let's learn the sentence structure for present continuous tense. The sentence structure is, first we need subject, any one of the present be form verbs is, am or are, plus action verb plus ing form. Actually, ing form that insists the use of continuous tense. First, I'll tell you subject. Subjects can be nouns or pronouns. Use of be form verbs. After the subject, we need the present be form verbs is, am, are. First one, the be form verb is agrees with singular subject. For example, a boy. A boy is a singular noun, so is can be used. He is a singular pronoun. She is a singular pronoun. It is a singular pronoun. So the verb is, be form verb is can be used with these kind of nouns and pronouns. Be form verb am can be used only pronoun I. We know, right? I am a student. Be form verb are, actually this is called the plural be form verb, can be used with plural subjects like people are, they are, we are, you are. People, that is plural noun. They is a plural pronoun. We, plural pronoun. You, actually you can be used for both singular and plural denotations. Examples of present continuous tense. I have given very easy and simplest examples of present continuous tense. I think it will be very helpful if you learn with the examples. These are the list of few easiest examples for present continuous tense. I'm writing the examination. We are speaking English language. You are typing the letters. They are playing football. Birds are flying now. My friends are watching TV. He is eating fruits. She is dancing now. It is crying loudly. John is teaching English grammar. Now, I'll explain each sentence with its sentence structure. I am writing the examination. I is a pronoun. I told you, right? Am, that agrees only with the pronoun I. I am writing. Write is a present action verb. We add ing, so writing can be used for the continuous. I'm writing. I keep on writing. I'm writing the examination. We are speaking English language. You are typing the letters. You can be used for both singular and plural, as I told you earlier. Are is a plural be form verb. Typing the letters. Actually, you should use this sentence, you are typing the letters. If someone is typing the letter when they are doing the particular work, you can mention that you are typing the letters. Next, they are playing football. When you watch football in the ground, players are playing. There we can use the sentence structure, they are playing football. So at the time of playing, we can use they are playing football. Same as for birds are flying now. Birds is a plural noun. We use the plural be form verb are flying now. Now, at present, birds are flying. My friends are watching TV. My friends, plural, are is a plural be form verb watching TV. You are watching the lesson. Next one. He is eating fruits. He is a singular pronoun. Is a singular be form verb. Eating fruits. She is dancing now. When she is dancing, at the time of dancing, you can use this sentence, she is dancing now, at present. It is crying loudly. It is crying now. John is teaching English grammar. If he is taking class right now, then you can use this sentence, John is taking English grammar. That's all for this day. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel. As I told you in the beginning, if you like this video lesson, please hit the like button. And if you find it useful, share with your friends. Give your feedback in the comment section. Thank you.